Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we are taking a look at the special edition of the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Now this one is carbon fiber, so a little bit different from all the other ones. You can only get this on Samsung.com. Link will be in the description down below. But let's go ahead and take a look at this beauty. It's the bespoke edition, so it has a different kind of look to it than just one color. It has multiple colors on it. And yeah, let's go ahead and open it up and see how this one looks. Now, I did already check out the Z Fold 6, and that one really did look nice, and this one has the same kind of effect. So it is going to be very, very shiny, but the plus side of it being shiny is the fact that it really has a great look and a great sound to it. Again, this is built into it, so it's different from getting a skin or anything like that on it. So yeah, it looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. And I love this gunmetal finish instead of the brighter silver that you will get on some of the versions. So yeah, really nice look to it. Have that nice little logo right there on the back, and yeah, looks really good in my opinion. What do you guys think? How do you like the look of it? Overall, than that, it is a standard Z Flip 6, so you have that beautiful front screen on there. I think I have to hold it like this to turn it on for the first time, unless it's dead out of the box, maybe. There it goes, a little bit of longer press, but same kind of thing otherwise, just that standard beautiful look to that flip. And stay tuned for my full review on this one, because I do think that the main thing about this phone is it could be the best vlogging phone of 2024. Stay tuned for that. All right, guys, that was the new look at the Z Flip 6. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you like this style? Do you like the color? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.